All right, could not be more excited. I got a new stack of wood, and in amongst it, there were two of these. One of which this morning, as you can tell, already met that guy. Oh, need to tighten that. But look at what's inside. Now I know it won't look like much, but you've got to see the end product. Look at the pattern of the grain. So I can already tell how beautiful some of these pieces are going to be. And here's the pierre de resistance, if that's the correct word. I don't know. I'm not French. Look at that. Once that dries and hardens, and then is sanded, and then stained, and my goodness. But one thing I learned very quickly in this that all Christians should be aware of: it's the wood itself that determines what beauty the artist can bring out in it. Are you hearing that? It's the wood itself. It's whatever is inside the wood that is to be brought out. So, if you want to look like that one day, when you once looked like that, blessed are the pure in heart.